Hey friends, it's Brittany. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about you getting your hair done. Some of the things that you really should know before you get started. Shalonda, Good Vibes Hair Creations, has been doing my hair for years and I love her. She's like a big warm hug. So let's get into it. What should you do to prepare for your appointment? Wash your hair and show up with it blow dried straight. What do you do to maintain your hairstyle? I do so little. I use the Good Vibes hair mist. I mist my hair every morning. I may add some oil to my scalp if it's dry. I'll use the foam every few days just to keep my hair looking like nice and kept. Other than that, nothing. I have an entire video on how I throw my hair into various different styles, but none of those styles take more than maybe a minute, and that's being generous. Can you wear your locks to the gym, swimming, to activities? Yes, to all of the above. I originally got locks because I wanted to start working out. I ended up losing over 50 pounds and I'll tell you, if it had not been for my hair being so easy to maintain, it transitioned from work to the gym back to work. I could life with this hairstyle without any discomfort. It literally is a low to no maintenance hairstyle. I love it, love it, love it. You'll love it too. What if I want 100% human hair? First of all, 100% human hair is super expensive. The real reasons that I would recommend for anybody to look into human hair is, one, if you've got some sort of allergy that requires you to use human hair, or two, if you want to actually lock your hair, you can start with human hair and over time your hair really will just keep locking into it and then just you keep it going. If you're tender-headed, that's not a problem. Getting locks is painless. Even if you're tender-headed, which I happen to be, all they're doing is parting your hair, braiding your hair, wrapping your hair. From day one, I could put my hair directly into a ponytail. I could put all my hair piled on top of my head with my locks and had no issues. They are light. What products do I recommend? Shalonda has a scalp oil. It's called black oil. She has a styling mist and a foam. I like using her products because they were made specifically with her hairstyles in mind. She developed them, took the time to do all of the research. My hair has done beautifully with the products. I have travel sizes. How long do locks last? I mean, with maintenance, if you wear a bonnet at night, if you keep your hair washed, you keep your hair oiled, you go in for your touch-ups, you can wear them as long as you really want to. The longest that I've gotten now is 8 months, and that was with several retouches. But if you take care of your hair, do what works for you. Who can come to my hair? Y'all, don't be bringing people to your hair appointment. Don't do that. Not your kids, not your man, not your friends, not your significant other, not nobody. Bring no one to your appointment but you, yourself, and you. That should be plenty. Can you request that your locks be installed neater or more uniformed? You could, but in order for your locks to look realistic, they shouldn't all be perfect. They shouldn't all be super clean with like no frayed edges. They don't look real. At that point, they look perfect. I get the most compliments about my hair as it has worn. So now that I am in desperate need of a touch-up, everybody asks me like, how long have you been on your natural hair journey? How long have you had your locks? 6 weeks? I hope that these questions and answers have been helpful to you. If you happen to go get your hair done by Good Vibes Hair Creations, make sure you let Shalonda know that I sent you. Comment below, let me know how your experience was. If you have more questions, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.